Today's the day, the pigs are on the way. Here they come. So how'd it go this morning, getting them loaded up?
Oh good, we ended up having to pick them up and then lift them over the fence and then set them in our little cage that we walk them around in.
So no running around crazy?
No, they squealed a bit when we picked them up, but...
Good. We have a plan of getting the pigs into the pen fairly easily. Jennifer's backed the trailer up here to where the door is going to open right up into this paddock here, or this corral. We have that fence going that way, so they're not going to be able to veer off. And then I have another one right here. Little buddy, come here, little buddy. Little buddy's going to hold this fence, blocking off this way, so the pigs have nowhere else to go other than in.
Just so they, yeah, and they have to shut.
Hello, piggies.
Oh, piggies. I might have to lift them up and set them out. Come here, girl.
If you hold the food in front of them, they won't try and follow it.
What's this? What is that? What is that?
Hopefully they don't go under the trailer.
I know, and they might want to, so you might want to kind of direct them that way as soon as they hit the ground.
Good. This way. Come on. There. In. There you go. There you go. Good piggy. Where one goes, the other.
Come on.
Go see your friend. Yeah, somebody got it. Uh-oh. Yeah, ow! Yep. They got shocked and went a little crazy. This is why you do it inside the physical barrier fencing first, because this is not good.
You went right through the square.
I'm gonna show them the water system real quick. Hey, piggies, look. Maybe they just need a few minutes.
Is this their feed dish?
Yeah, you can put that in there.
Piggies! Hey piggies, are you hungry? Are you hungry, little girl?
No. We redid the electric fencing, so it's pretty close up against the metal cattle panels here. That way the pigs are less likely to try to run forward. At least that's the hope here. They'll go backward when they get shocked. Jennifer's about to turn on the Energizer, and they're gonna get shocked because they're standing right on the fence.
Okay, you asked for it. Or they're grounding it against the fence. I'm warning you, little girl.
Okay, that was better.
And they hear that snap too.
You guys good?
Let's not try anymore.
We haven't had any more incidents since we fixed the fence. These guys have settled down now. They're, of course, a little bit nervous being in a new environment. They didn't eat any of their feed before they dumped it all over with that fence fiasco. But we're going to give them some time to settle in for a little bit, and we'll check back with them later. It's been raining. It's a light drizzle now. So we're coming back to check on the pigs, and it looks like they're not using the shelter. They're just hanging out. You guys know there's a shelter over there, right? Right up there. Hopefully they'll figure it out. I'm gonna try and lure them into their shelter with some feed. I'm gonna put some food in their tray here, and then put that in the shelter, and hopefully that'll bring them in out of the rain. They'll realize, hey, this is where we go to stay dry. Look at those peas. It's protein. I think they've had a rough day. I think they might be a little stressed out, so we're just gonna leave them be for now. But I put food in there. I put a bowl of water in there since I'm not able to train them to the water barrel with a nipple in there yet. That takes a little bit of training, and because of their timidity, I'm not able to work with them on that today. So we'll keep checking back with them. We'll try again tomorrow. But they had that bowl of water in there. In the meantime, if they don't decide to knock it over, they'll have a little drink. Dan's partner came over to help with the pigs today, and she brought Poe, the rat terrier, and he enjoys running around playing with the big dogs. What is it, baby girl? Go get the doggy.
Go play. Run.
Go get him, Blue.
Where's Willow? There you go, Popo.
Willow. Willow. Come on, Blue Bear. The dogs are definitely curious about the pigs, but that certainly didn't help at all with their stress level.